I got this!
My life be like,
Turn your light!
everybody got a phone call.
My mommy said no more Scooby-Doo toilets, so I left the poo-poo in her chocolate cake. This is Ohio home of the gritty listeners on having Scooby-Doo toilet withdrawals and going insane if I don't watch episode 99. I will annihilate mankind with an hydrogen bomb. Fortnite legendary bush. Fortnite legendary scar boogie bomb. Working like giant anime transformation. I curled a pillow for 55 reps, and now I'm exhausted waiter. Can you please get me one chug jug and one Grimace shake, Hayden Ross? I'm your #1 fan. I want to be a wrestler like you when I grow up. Can you please make me your prodigy to understand the quantum mechanics of Wiz and the indecencies of the neurological pathways of the conscious nervous systems, justifying the moral dilemmas of man, the ultimate judgment of character based on forged principles